my name is Jose Luis Lopez Flores, and today I'm going to explain our problem solution. But first, let's give a little context. What was the problem? Well, the BMX refinery in Cadereyta had released pollutant emissions into the environment, attributed to compression failures, according to Governor Samuel Garcia. This incident occurred on August 17 of 2014, when a Pemex pipeline proved to be releasing hydrocarbons, including crude oil, into the San Juan River, resulting in environmental contamination. Well, now we are going to explain what happened in chemistry. Well, first analyze the petroleum compounds. The compounds contained in petroleum are mainly hydrocarbons, which are molecules made of carbon and hydrogen atoms. These hydrocarbons can vary in size and structure, which influences their polarity, properties, geometry, solubility, and other characteristics. Here we can see it, how they are in their polarity. We can see their Lewis structure and some of their properties like molar mass, density of aggregation, and how they are, if they are soluble in water. Here we can see some examples, then we have another examples, then other examples, and the final examples are here. Well, after all this, what's our solution? Well, our solution is the bioremediation. It is a process that utilizes the metabolic activities of microorganisms to degrade, transform, or remove pollutants from a contaminated environment. In this case, bioremediation could be applied to restore the affected ecosystems and water quality. But how this is going to work in our situation? Well, bioremediation is a sustainable solution to air contamination in the San Juan River, harnessing microorganisms to break down contaminants into simple products. It can be exchanged with nutrients, bioargumentation, environmental monitoring, and improve accessibility to contaminants, although it is a slower but complete process with no harmful bioproducts, requiring adaptation to site conditions. We can see here how it works, like microorganisms eat oil and other related contaminants. Microorganisms digest oil and convert it into carbon dioxide and water, and then give off the carbon dioxide and the water. So, what we learned here? Conclusion: hydrocarbons are non-polar and poorly soluble in water, which can cause contamination. Bioremediation uses microorganisms in a sustainable solution to degrade these pollutants into harmless products. It requires adjustments and monitoring, but minimizes the negative impacts.